Hey guys, bless up to each and every one, all viewers, subscribers, supporters, family. Big up to a nice clean self. To all new subscribers, welcome. Relax, make yourselves at home, right? Yeah, blessings. So me not stay long. I just want like a quick something me I can do. Not stay long, but well, earlier this evening, me got to do some little walk about, all about the place, go walk about and so. And me go walk up and, me stray away. Me not tell no lie, me stray away. Me not plan for stray away, but me stray away and go over somewhere, over one part there, so, and go see one live. And out of curiosity, me say, me listen to the live. And when me check a stack, me say, Jesus, come here, Father God. Come here, Lord. Then, let me ask, me Curly. Lord have mercy now, Curly. First, let me say this. You are confused me. Curly, is either you are confused me or you are confused yourself. But whatever the confusion is right around that little part there, may I beg you tap. Not go no further with it. Tap. Here. Stop. Me I beg you do in the name of the Lord. Stop. I just a little bit of days ago, right? Few little days pass. Me hear you come out a body shame 99 in a class or and a go on with yourself or something. Then now how the backside now you are come now with your whole heap of diagnosis. Then the few little days you go up on the ship, my love. Then you ain't good to go study a doctor school, you ain't go. I never know so you go take 3D a 3D. And go do medicine. Huh? I never know, say I never just birthday you go celebrate either. Me never know, say a medical school you go to. Cause you come back with this whole long list of diagnosis. But now, what you say, Curly, don't get me wrong, what you say, and a bad thing you say, it's not a bad thing you're saying, but let me tell you this, you say you're concerned, me know, you know, everybody else knows, based on how you sound with this or something, it's no farmer concern, because you can't class somebody yesterday and come back here today, but you're concerned. What you concerned for? Are you same one did one plane crash with him? Are you same one did one thing dead or whatever, and this week? No, man, make up your mind where you want. But I don't know if nobody else not notice this, but Curly, you think you can fool me? You think you can fool? I see what you did there, Curly. I see what you did. I saw what you were doing, Curly. This has nothing to do with no pharma medical, no pharma concern, nothing. Not a thing wrong with 99. You sit down way over so, I can't turn way over so and spy over 99. As I say, sitting wrong with 99, then 99 no have feelings in her body if you know if she feel a little funny way if you go check up. Hey? I feel your life. I feel your body. I feel your health. I see what you were doing there, Curly. You come with the little Viola aisle. The little Viola aisle. I promote. You come and promote your business. I don't know if I feel your business. But you come and promote your aisle, you know Curly. Advertisement. Listen, I alone notice you advertise Curly advertising at the sneaking way. I alone notice that. You don't talk the truth where Jesus love. You don't see where Curly do. Curly come up because remember saying the other day Curly a cuss and class 99, But this week now if he come cuss and class, There's a chance the hell now go sell. So she come out and I try to be nice. Cause meanwhile she did and she attack say this do 99, that do 99 fi go do this and fi go do that and whatever. Me see people over in the comment section ask what's the cost, how can I get it? So I don't never say I know come Curly come from a good place because she concerned about 99. Curly come fi sell the aisle. You don't notice that? Curly come fi sell the aisle. But in order for the aisle sell, she have to come with something from over 99. She have to put 99 in there somewhere or the other. Curly, you think you trick me? Curly, you think you take me for fool? You're not tricking me today. Today is not April the 1st. Today is not April the 1st. Today is not Tom Fool Day. So I refused to be tricked. I refuse to be tricked, Curly. You come out with the Lily Viola Highland. I say, how help you this and who else help her or something. You go like you're smart, so. Curly, hey, Curly. Curly. You don't see him one, Me hear no same one come out say how no say long time picture with 99 and how she did mag and cranny and all kind of something. Then he put on little weight now, good life and all these things and good breeze a blow upon him and whatever else. Good food and beatings and something. Now uno come and cuss him how he fat and ugly and swatty and all kind of thing. Mighty God of Daniel, this woman can never do nothing to prove uno. She slim, uno class her. Uno class her. She put on weight, uno class her. Mighty God, man. No, man. But you give health advice. Eh? Curly tata. Girl bye. Curly tata. Cause you not make no sense whatsoever. You claim you don't hate her. And you look out for your best interest. Right? But make it make sense for me then. Make it make sense because the same mouth where did want her dead last week or 2 weeks ago. The same mouth where did want the plane crash with her. Is now saying a different thing. You are confused me. You are make me dizzy right now. Deep down you know say. Whatever you are saying, it's not coming from a good place. It now come from a good place because at the same time you say she a wobble like a penguin, eh? And you still a class under this guys. You try to be, you know, try to be tactful, right? You try to be tactful. But question, one little question, let me ask you this. Every time me hear you come out, you know, because based on how you sound, you know, it sound like you alone in this world eat good food. You alone eat nice, healthy food. Everybody else eat crap, and you one. But Curly, you is no dolly, you know. You is no dolly. Curly, you really think you're dolly? Let me ask you that question. Curly, you really think you're dolly? Curly, you is no dolly. Leave 99 alone. For the love of Jesus, for the love of Christ, Curly, leave 99 alone. Dear, whether you come with good advice, whether you come with bad advice, whether you come class or just leave 99 alone. Anything for do with 99, we know for yourself. The right people them we tell her. You don't need to send a message across the border. You don't need to send no message across the border whatsoever because we know you. It's not like you cared. It's not like you care. So make it be the first and the last. You pick up yourself so you send message to 99. 99 don't want no matches. You understand? 99 is quite okay. She's fine. She's doing fine over on the other side over there. So don't make 99 be a problem to who know. You understand? Just focus on Funo self. Focus on Funo health. Because you're good at this down up there. So I diagnose 99 now. You don't know what kind of underlying issues that you have. So just give 99 a break for once and for all. Till they are much too much. Make it be the last time, Curly. I beg you, Curly. I beg you. Make it be the last dege time. Here, the last time. Just leave 99. Alright. You say you know watch her, make it stay that way there. But me don't know how you know watch her and you know 99 and walk and wobble like a penguin. Me don't know how you do it. I don't know. But you know, if you say you know watch her, you know watch her. Anyways, people, as me told you, me never come here for stay long. Me I cut and go through and gone again. I got to run. So me see you know again in our next video. I want to big up on a nice, clean, good self. Me love you know and me appreciate you know. Enough respect to each and every one. I wanna bless up, and please remember to like up the video, yeah. Hit that notification bell there. I wanna subscribe. Who not subscribe yet? So as soon as me upload a video, you understand? Uno can be notified. Say yes, Chin post one new video. Alright, so uno bless up on yourself and sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Uno go and go rest and get to no beauty rest. Alright, later.